our track record.
We are never finished.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. What are we doing today, Jordan? Why do we have these weird boxes in front of us? What's going on?
Dude, what's in the box?
What's in the box? Okay, so basically what's gonna happen is our trusty assistant Brett for today is gonna be bringing out the objects one by one, and we don't know what order they're gonna be in. I picked out 5 objects for Jordan, and then Jordan picked out 5 objects for me, and we're gonna be reaching through and trying to figure out what that other person bought just on feeling.
Just feeling.
Just how we feel about it.
We're each gonna get, we get one guess each with a final answer locked in, and that's gonna be it.
So, let's get into it. What's in the box? Car edition. Alright, so while Brett is getting the objects, we'll turn around and so we can't see. Oh, another thing we didn't explain is, wait, did you say? So this is what's in the box, but car edition.
Oh.
I don't think we mentioned that. So this is a what's in the box challenge, but we're only doing car related objects. Wait, did you know that when you were buying objects?
I think I did them, but I did other things too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I have like life related.
I don't want to tell you. Oh my God.
It's cars, but also
With bonus objects.
Yeah, there's
with bonus.
I have most
Alright.
of the car things, but one's a bonus.
Are they out?
They're out.
Alright. Okay, you don't know what object Brett bought out from you, but maybe once I
describe it.
Kev, careful. Careful. Don't touch it there. Don't touch it there. You're gonna hurt it. Oh.
Wait, this is fluffy.
Is this scary?
There's a hole. Oh wait, I know what this is. I can feel this. This gave it away.
Yeah.
This part right here. This is a last minute object. Oh, wait.
Not a last minute object.
So I think I know what mine is. All right. So you go. I don't know what this is. Go in slowly. Go in slowly.
What?
Jordan, careful.
Wait, describe it. What are you feeling?
It's fuzzy. Oh.
Where'd it go? You can't get it.
What is it? There's a groove in here.
Don't let it bite you.
There's a groove. It's fuzzy. I don't even know. I don't even know what you're touching. And I picked it out.
Okay.
You think you know?
I think I know what this is. Yeah.
You think you know?
I think I know.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mic sock.
Steering wheel cover.
I think that's probably what it is. Yeah.
Kevin, you're wrong. It's a microphone cover.
Mic sock.
I know. I'm just kidding.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, 3, 2.
Wait, no, we don't need to count down for that.
Ooh, closer. Cold, hot. Cold, hot.
I describe it. What does it feel like?
What does it smell like, Jordan?
I don't know what it smells like.
What does it feel like? Can you open it?
Does it smell?
Try to open it.
Nothing? What is this? There's multiple of these things.
Oh, I know what it is. Oh, I remember.
Yeah.
Okay, I know what it is.
I think I got the guess.
Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, I thought I felt something. Oh, there's something.
Remember that wolf spider?
Oh, dude, don't say that. You just crumple up pieces of paper. Okay, so all right, so you don't know what I'm touching.
I think I did.
Okay, so it's like there's a string. I feel a string, and then there's like little pieces of foam around it. What is this? Oh wait. Oh, I think I know what this is. All right, I'm just gonna say what I think. All right.
3, 2,
Don't say it like that.
1.
Fake side vents.
What is
Lay.
that? A leg?
A lay. like a lei, but like when you put on the.
Smell your hand.
No. Oh, dude, it's an air freshener, like a lei air freshener. High five.
Jordan got him.
I think we have to like reduce the time you can touch it.
Can we get a solid high five? That was bad. All right.
Now your turn.
All right. It's good to see you back. Back from that break. Oh. Freaking Jordan. Did you not have enough time to pick objects, Jordan?
Oh, I had these objects.
What are you doing there, Kevin? Against the rules?
Okay, I know what this one is.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
That was easy.
What? It's sticky.
What? Like what? It's sticky?
I think it's sticky.
What?
What?
Carolina. Yeah. Keep going. Oh. I hit someone's. Can you open it?
Can I open it?
Wait, don't give me any hints.
What is this? Why?
Feel it. What does it feel like? Oh.
I think I got it.
You do? Wait, describe what you're feeling, because I don't even know what you're touching right now.
It is. Coffee.
What is that sound?
I think with this, when we're done, we have to shift the conversation.
3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Plant.
A shift knob?
Dude, how'd you know that?
That's not all.
Do you know what kind of shift knob it is? For bonus points. I'll give you one extra point.
Based on the smoothness and the design on the top, if I'm thinking correctly.
Oh, wait. You didn't see this in the store,
I
right?
didn't see it on the store. Probably chrome with like a skull on top.
Okay.
Bullets.
Is this not the most American thing you've ever seen?
It's like a revolver.
Like, it's literally a revolver chamber shift knob.
Open
So these are actually tire
valve stems.
valve stems, but
I
they're
didn't
bullet.
get the valve stems.
They're bullet casings. All right, so you go first, Jordan.
Okay.
I'm excited about this one.
Something in here. Oh. It's cold. What is it? This is a bowl of ice.
Yeah, this is car related. This is a very car related object. That's all I'm gonna say though.
He's getting a bowl of ice.
Feel like.
Oh,
feel. Feel 'em.
Okay. Okay.
Dang.
I think I know what you are.
This guy's good.
All right.
Jordan.
Oh gosh, what is this? You wouldn't put anything that would harm me, right?
It's for the news.
Oh.
How did battery acid go?
So I feel like a circular object. It's like a bowl. Let me see if I can feel the raising of the ink to read the sign.
The raising of the ink? You can't do that. That's cheating.
You never know with Jordan. It might be a car, it might not. Who knows if it's marriage?
There might be something in there.
I stuck my finger all the way in. Okay, I'm just gonna leave my hand in here because I don't know what this is. Wait, okay.
Feel it more.
I get the gist of it. It's a
around in there.
It's literally like.
This is car related, right?
Yeah.
You didn't sound so confident in that.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Car
Lug
wax.
nuts.
What, Jordan?
Lug nuts.
But what
Lug
about
nuts?
are they? What about them?
They're cold nuts.
Frozen nuts.
Frozen nuts.
They're Raisin Nuts, not a sponsor. What is that? Super hard shell? It's car wax.
Car wax.
I got it. I got it right. Dude. You go first. No, I go first. Okay. So you know what this is because it's the last object. By process. Oh, this is a bowl. What's in this bowl, Jordan? Ew, it's like slimy. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, there's multiple. Did you take these from me?
No.
Okay, I know what these objects are, but they're like wet. Slimy. Alright, I think I know what it is.
Alright, you go, do it.
Alright, I'm gonna leave my hand in here so I don't see anything.
Sure.
Did you hit anything yet?
No. I feel it's an apparatus.
Apparatus?
Some short.
Really? It shouldn't be.
He's getting red.
Don't let it out of the cage.
What's in there?
Smell your finger, smell your finger.
No, don't take your hand out.
What?
Kevin's gonna crack up.
What is this? It's like slimy.
Yours is slimy too? No, I know what it is.
What? What is it? I can't feel it until I touch it.
Well, there's your problem. Well, I'm not going to give you any hints. Don't leave your hand in there too long, that's all I'm going to say.
Got it.
Do you have your final answer?
Yeah, I have my final answer.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Nuts.
Just oil.
Gosh.
No, Jordan!
not oil?
No, it's
You guys got them all right.
Dang it. So wait, I was right? Oil, nuts? Wait, how did we pick oil for both of the last round? That was not planned.
We tied. But unfortunately, we were too good at that, or we picked terrible objects. But
Mine were pretty
because we tied, we have a bonus lightning round. So basically, what we're gonna do is on the count of 3, we're both gonna stick our hands in there at the same time. You just start shouting it out. As soon as whoever shouts out the correct answer first wins the round.
Okay. And this is not a car-related object. This is just something Brett got for us. They're exactly the same from what he tells us. So, okay. All right.
All right.
So, on your
Ready.
mark, we're going to stick our hands in. All right. Oh.
Sawdust?
Sand.
Dirt?
No. Oh, what is this? It's on a paper towel. It's cold. It's wet.
Maybe disguise cold.
What is this? You disguised it, but you didn't compromise it. Sand.
Hot chocolate?
No.
Coffee grounds.
Dang.
Yes!
Dang
That's
it.
what it is.
But I put orange juice all around it to keep this coffee smell away, but...
Alright, so it's official. I won
The What's in the Box challenge.
with car edition with some bonus.
Certainly.
What's in the box?
I just want to say thank you guys for sticking with us. All the subscribers and all the OGs out there. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. So if you guys could just help us get there, dude. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe, like it, share it.
So, we're never finished.
And we'll catch you in the next one.